Neighbors, I know all of you guys know how to make scrambled eggs. Today, I'm gonna show you a little variation of it and we're gonna make it Korean style. Now, for those who don't do cereal or oatmeal in the mornings, like me, all you gotta have is some fresh rice ready, and then we're gonna immediately, while it's sizzling in the pan, cover it over the rice, get a spoonful, and breakfast is done in less than 3 minutes. Okay, stretch out, let's make some breakfast. All right, quickly, let's grab some rice. I'm hungry. Just a little bit. Perfecto. Now, if you're making this for your wife or your partner, put some green onion garnish on there, make it look pretty. If you're a party of one, you can skip this garnish. You're hungry. Let's start off on a medium heat. We're gonna cook the eggs in a nutty and toasty sesame oil. Put in 1 tablespoon. Move the sesame oil around the pan. And once you see the oil retreating, you know that it's pretty hot. We're gonna crack in 2 eggs. And then we're gonna scramble the white part only first. Try to keep the yolk intact until later. I'm pulling out the egg white. All right. Very nice. Now the egg whites are almost all cooked through. We'll turn off the heat. To that, we're gonna add in, not a full tablespoon, about 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we'll just add that around the pan. It's good. And now we'll break in the egg yolk. Get it around everything. Get it in that soy sauce as well. All that great flavor. Spread the eggs over the top. Sprinkle on top with a little bit of green onions. And wow, take a look. That almost looks like a donburi, right? This is loaded with flavors. We're gonna dig right in. Bon appetit. Oh my gosh. That's so good, guys. Woo! Their eggs are seasoned. They're packed with flavor, providing just the right amount of saltiness. This is an absolute must try. I ate half that bowl in less than 30 seconds. That's how good it is. So, what did you think? A little bit too simple? But neighbors, when it comes to home cooking, simple is the best adjective because you'll make it over and over and over and over again. Get a good start to the day, and I'm wishing you a nice breakfast.